folks and love muffins. It's your girl Disastrous Beauty, and I'm back with a voiceover. Okay, y'all, so right now I am showing y'all this cap, and the reason why I'm showing you guys this cap because this is Rpgshow's new 10x6. Yeah, girl, you heard me right. 10x6 Glueless Swiss lace closure wig. Okay, honey, so I wanted to come on here and show you guys like the lace, like, so they gave me this little cap to give you guys a little demonstration. Honey, don't worry about my edges, worry about your edges. Okay, girl, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. But look at the lace. Let's get into this lace, honey. And it fit around my ear perfectly. You know, that is always an issue for me. So this is more like a closure than a frontal, and I love that for me. You guys know I be struggling. I love that for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys get into this video completely. I just wanted to pop in and let you guys know that, as well as with these combs, they're Velcroed. So you can take them off and put them back on, and they're Velcro. You don't stick them in a little hole and none of that stuff, honey. They're Velcro. Okay, I love that for me. All right, y'all, I'm done. I will see you little folks in the outro. Bye.
He smiles wide, 'cause he's the center of attention now, and he feels good about it. And she takes a bow, 'cause she's the center of attention now, and she feels good about it. But I'm avoiding eyes every time that I'm out, 'cause it's scary being seen in daylight. Like if they're looking close, then maybe they might see right through me, see right through me. And I don't know why I just can't have it, what everybody seemed to take for granted. Wondering if I'm from another planet, somewhere far away. I might as well be on the moon, probably be as confused as any other afternoon, freaking out here in my living room. I might as well be on the moon, never really get used to the things that everybody else do. I might as well be on the moon. They're having fun without worrying about looking dumb. They feel alive instead of feeling numb. And I wonder what that would feel like. I wonder what that would feel like. It must be nice. But I'm avoiding eyes every time that I'm out, 'cause it's scary being seen in daylight. Like if they're looking close, then maybe they might see right through me, see right through me. And I don't know why I just can't have it, what everybody seemed to take for granted. Wondering if I'm from another planet, somewhere far away. I might as well be on the moon, probably be as confused as any other afternoon, freaking out here in my living room. I might as well be on the moon, never really get used to the things that everybody else do. I might as well be on the moon, might as well be on the moon. Feels like something's got a hold on me, don't know why it won't let go of me. Always really getting so lonely, feeling like this. Feels like something's got a hold on me, don't know why I won't let go of me. Always getting so lonely, feeling like this.
All right, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Rpgshow Hair. Shout out you, Rpgshow, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. This wig is there. The name of this wig is OP Hair 016. The texture is Yaki. It is 20 inches long. The color is the same as picture. I do have it in a size 1.
It says cap construction is Maxi 10x6 glueless Swiss lace closure wig. So it's like a Maxipart. I just said Maxi, but they say it says Maxipart. So Maxipart 10x6 glueless Swiss lace closure wig is 180% density, and the color is tinted transparent Swiss lace in light brown. Okay, y'all, so it says it's a Maxipart, and they actually gave me this little cap, and I'll either insert the picture. Matter of fact, let me just take out the cap. So they actually sent this to show, you know, the amount of lace area, and I actually did put it on, but you guys can see. And then in the back it has this drawstring so you can wear it glueless. I am wearing this unit completely glueless right now, and it did fit good even on my ear area. You guys know that is the part, that is the area that I struggle with as far as wearing units glueless. I'm probably still going to add some adhesive. I'm not going to hold you, sis. I am an adhesive chick. I just feel more secure that way. But having that extra drawstring in the back does make it feel more secure than normal, because normally, honey, I'd be struggling. So because it is a closure wig instead of a frontal, I didn't have to cut off that extra lace on the sides for my yabs. I love that for me. I prefer closure wigs, as you guys probably already know. I prefer closure over anything. So I love that for me. Okay, so with this unit, as far as tweezing the hairline, this is Rpgshow. So honey, obviously there are none of the tings with that, okay? I didn't have to do any of the tings as far as that was concerned. And I did not have to bleach this unit. Now I will say, the lace is a little dark in my opinion for me. I did add a little bit of foundation powder to it to try to lighten it up a little bit. It is light brown, but sometimes that doesn't just blend well with my skin. It just depends on what time of the year it is, okay? And how much I've been outside getting my suntan on, okay? But I do feel like it will definitely work for the majority of people. It's just sometimes that's the only issue that I may have. As far as shedding and tangling, honey, there were none of the things. Like, old girl came out curled and everything. As you guys saw at the beginning of the video, I did add a few curls, a few more curls up here. Y'all, you know, I like that Farrah Fawcett look. Whenever I'm wearing a middle part, I feel like I have to give Farrah Fawcett, okay? But this unit already came pre-layered and all of that. The texture, as I stated, is Yaki. You guys know I love a good Yaki, okay? You can never go wrong with a good Yaki. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it as far as details and specs. As far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is big head friendly. I did have to super adjust the strap in the back, and this is a cap size 1. So I feel like you can make 1 or 2 work, but I feel like if you are a regular big head, if you're a regular big head, you can probably get the size 1. But if you're a wider head, then you may want to go for the size 2. You know, if you're picking up one, putting down. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs. So if you're interested in my pros and cons, well, the full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note. Honestly, y'all, this unit has no cons. We can keep it moving, sis. No cons. No cons, no cons. As far as the pros, you guys know I love a good Yaki texture. Like, that is probably my favorite thing about this unit. I also love the layers. You guys know I'm feeling that drawstring in the back for that added security. I love that the combs are detachable. Some people like combs, some people don't. But I like how they use Velcro instead of like the little slip thing, because sometimes when you have like the slip, I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but you know, like the combs you insert into something, they tend to not stay in place as well. But with the Velcro, honey, oh girl, them combs is in place, okay? So I love that as well. I love the convenience of this unit. I love that I do feel comfortable wearing it glueless more so than I have any other prior units, because you guys know I've been struggling with the glueless. So for me to even be able to wear it glueless is a huge plus in my opinion. And yeah, I just love the overall look. I also love the color. I hope you guys can see it, but there is brown. This is like a chestnut. It's like some chestnut colors in the front, like not over the whole unit, but just like in the front. I love that. I love the subtleness of that, and it gives fall and winter. I feel like this is a great fall going into winter sort of unit in my opinion. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the pros. Girl, you know I would recommend this unit. You heard my pros. Keep it moving. Alright y'all, let me give you guys a full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, sound off in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you think it's a look, it's a vibe, it's all the things. Sound off. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out to you, RPG Show, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, go click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I'll see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Looks your love completely. Got every styles and weekly. Disastrous.